Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make actually one of my favorite drinks, which is the coffee pina colada. All you coffee lovers, I know there's a lot of you guys out there. You do go to Starbucks and everywhere else, but now coffee and alcohol, amazing. You don't just get it from energy drinks, you can get it from this right here. You guys, so amazing. What better than a coffee pina colada just to start off your morning? I mean, finish off your night or whatever you got going on, you know. I know you early drinkers out there, but today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make this bad boy. This cuteness right here, perfectly amazing. And oh my God, guys, I've been drinking a lot of this. Right now I'm kind of jittery right now. I'm excited to start. Look, I already made a mess with the cutting board and everything. Don't worry, that's not blood, that's cherry juice. So let's get started. All right guys, so let's get started. Get both of our shakers, and then we're gonna need 4 ounces. 4 ounces. I feel like that guy from Shrek, you know? Pick number 2 or number 4, my lord, throwing up the 3. I know how to count, I know better than that. Follow up by some banana liqueur. So you can use any you want. I usually stick with this brand. And I don't like it a whole bunch, so I'm only gonna use 1/4 of an ounce. You can use freaking half an ounce of this if you want. Follow up by plantation rum. So good. I love it, delicious. I actually been drinking this quite a lot. The reason why I'm only using 1 ounce is because I'm gonna be using a lot of the coffee liqueur. Usually it's about 1.5 ounces of rum, but I'll be using the coffee liqueur, and it is more concentrated than Kahlua itself, you guys. So it is a little bit stronger. Really tastes like coffee, really tastes like coffee. So I'm gonna use an ounce about this, 1 ounce. Then cherry liqueur as well. I use half an ounce of it. So half an ounce of this. And then moving on to the sweet stuff. I know, becoming my mom with the Tupperware. We all get to that age, and apparently me too. So we're gonna use about a half an ounce of Coco Lopez. You don't want your drink too sweet. If you want it more sweet, that's totally up to you. I won't judge you guys. You know, if you wanna get diabetes, that's good before you get your buzz. It's all good with me. Then, now I need my lemon, and let's get ready. I guess I'm pretty dry. Cameraman? Oh, shoo. His throwing's a little bit off, but that's all right, no problem there. Just use about 1/4 of a lime, just 1/4. Squeeze a little bit, the lime in there. Now I need my ice cubes. Hold on 1 second.
1 hour later.
Could have easily used the magic trick, but you know, it is what it is. Put this aside, you know. Usually you would use a nice bag that costs $30 and it comes with a hammer, but old fashioned, a mallet and a freaking fries bag or Foot City does a trick. Let's drop about 4 cubes up in this. 2, 3, and 4 cubes just for good luck. Shake it like you want something, bro. Whatever you want, it's up to you, but you want something. There you go. Don't stop until you get that condensation. You already know that. You've been watching, I hope. So let's just pour this right in there. As you can tell, it's not fully crushed. I did my best to my capabilities with that mallet. Maybe if more people subscribe, I'll be able to afford more things. I'm gonna fine strain it right here. All the way to the top. Sorry, buddy, gotta get a couple leaves. Oh, this one's fighting back. Just throw them on the side. 1, 2, 3. Couple of coffee things right here. Again, you guys, for this video, I did not want to go to the store, so I tried my best. You already saw my coconut thing and everything. Sprinkle some of these on top. It is a coffee drink after all. Just a few, not too much. And I'm gonna get my last cherry again. I was fighting not to go to the store today. Apparently my laziness got me. Oh no, the little stem broke. Oh shit. I'm gonna perform surgery real quick on this. Bam, look, it's like nothing ever happened. Throw that cherry right in there, sip on it. Maybe it tastes better with the garnish, I don't know. So there you have it, the coffee pina colada. Again, you guys, there's a lot of variations out there in the internet you can find. I like making it this way, just because I feel like this pineapple rum infused makes the drink taste a lot better. The cherry liqueur just goes perfectly with the coffee. And then the banana just adds a totally different flavor to it. All right guys, so again, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any drinks out there you want me to create, anything at all, a different variation of a drink I already created. I don't care. Throw it down in the comments below. I'll try to get it as soon as possible. If I'm missing a couple ingredients, I might skip a video and do it next time, but I'll try to get to it, all right? This is Alejandro from Alejandro the Mixologist, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You're so cute, yes you are.